Hi everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Geenie camera not connected to Wi-Fi issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The first thing to do is to go ahead and check if you've entered the correct Wi-Fi password during the Wi-Fi setup. Open up your Geenie application and make sure that you are logged in first. Go to the top right hand corner and tap the plus icon, select Wi-Fi camera and make sure to enter your Wi-Fi password and your username correct. If you're not being able to connect to your Wi-Fi network, then check if there is any internet connection problems. If your Wi-Fi signal is too weak, you can also reset your Wi-Fi router and try again. The next thing to do whenever you are going through this issue is to open up your Play Store and check for available updates for the Geenie app. Into the search box, search for Geenie, and once you perform your search, check if there is any updates available for the app. If there is, tap on the update button to download the latest version of Geenie application and go back to your Geenie app, launch it open and try connecting to your Wi-Fi network again by entering the password. That was how you can easily solve your Geenie camera not connecting to Wi-Fi issue on your Android phone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.